It's Allure of the Seas, cabin 10607. It's a neighborhood balcony.
Hi, I'm Linda.
And I'm Tim.
And this is our second journey.
Very nice cabin. Into the bathroom. Now the Allure of the Seas was recently refurbished. Right here, right after the refurbishment. Of course, not a whole lot, if anything, was done with the rooms. Shower has a kind of a cylinder closing room, but hey, at least it's not a curtain. You can see how that operates. Two halves, but relatively tall. At least that's got it going for it. Not very large, but again, no curtain at least. It's got some storage shelves here on the side and relatively small sink. And then a full-length mirror. Here's the couch and your shelving units. You got the small safe as usual, your wardrobe area. Decent sized wardrobe, easily accessible. You don't have anything pushed right up against there. Again, a small couch. You got a small table there, and makeup station, desk, some more storage units there. Storage here. And lights. Not a lot of outlets, but there are a couple right there. It's the bed together, and the configuration, phone, light switches. Again, not a lot of outlets over here. There is also an outlet right on the one side of the bed, all the way underneath. Difficult to see, but there is an outlet there, so if you need to utilize that for a charger or CPAP like I do, there is something there for that. Here's the bed from the opposite way, and we do have a Central Park view. Quiet in here. And there you go. Beautiful Central Park view, nice sized balcony. So you can see it doesn't completely block the sound, just reduces it. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please consider subscribing. It means a lot to us and helps our channel grow.